Everybody, it's Jen from Caketastic Cakes. I'm going to show you real quick how to cover a chocolate cake with vanilla icing. It's not a big deal. You can do it if somebody wants a chocolate cake with chocolate icing, but they want white icing or some light color on the outside. It is doable. It's not a big deal. Okay, so make your chocolate cake however you'd want to. And then you're going to stick it in the fridge for a while. So you can have dark chocolate icing, ganache, whatever you want. Just stick it in the fridge, chill it nicely. And then you're going to apply a nice thick outer coating on your cake in whatever color you're using. I'm just using white icing here because they wanted a special TJ Maxx looking cake or something like that. So it had to be red and white, mostly white. But if you make your icing layer on the outside thick enough and your crumb coating is cool enough so it doesn't bleed through, it doesn't crumb through, you're going to be just fine. So this is a super short video. There's not a lot of information to it. Make your chocolate cake the way you would. Put it in the fridge so your crumb coating becomes nice and solid. Then go ahead and apply that new fresh white coat of icing on the outside and you won't have any issues. So boom, problem solved. So I hope you found my short little video helpful. Please like and subscribe because it helps me out as well. I've got a lot of other videos out there about cakes, decorating, tutorials, food, as well as other baking. So check it out. And as always, thanks for watching Caketastic Cakes.